Hello from me, hello from Rosie. Check this out, someone was nice enough to buy me an apron with dinner party cooking on it. Don't know how long it'll be before we can start doing merch for this channel. Maybe we need to get a little bit bigger first, but thank you very much, John and Jane, for buying me this. And in celebration, I am gonna make a chicken cordon bleu, which is chicken with ham in it and cheese in it, and it's cooked in breadcrumbs. It's gonna be a winner. Let's crack on. Okay, we've got a couple of chicken breasts, and I'm just gonna take off some of the less tasty bits, and then we're gonna butterfly this, which means cutting it down the middle and then flatten it out. I'm gonna cut almost all the way through and leave like that, okay? I'm going to get some cling film and then give this a little bit of a whack to make it thinner. Okay, and I'm going to take about a spoonful of Dijon mustard, and I'm going to spread it on one side of the chicken. You've got to be a bit careful with chicken, so you've got to make sure you clean your hands and use a separate board. But I'm going to put a couple of slices of Gouda cheese, because it's Gouda be good, on my chicken. Okay, get a nice slice of ham, and then add some more cheese on top. Let's fold these over, and then we'll wrap them in cling film, and then we'll put them in the fridge for about 20 minutes. So they just firm up, and then I'll show you a way to make your own breadcrumbs instead of having to buy some. So you can buy breadcrumbs, or you can cut some bread up, toast it, blitz it, and you've made your own. Put your bread in here. Now for this recipe, I've also got some flat leaf parsley. Got a bung in there as well. Blitz up. You've got some parsley, you've got some flat leaf parsley breadcrumbs. Ooh, what smell, it is amazing actually. Okay, so the next phase is going to be to coat the chicken with the breadcrumbs. So I've got some flour, I've got some egg, which I've mixed in with a little bit of milk, and I've got my breadcrumbs that we made earlier. So here we go. Okay, and then we are going to fry these in a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter for a couple of minutes each side, and then put them into an oven at 180 degrees, and then serve them with some tender stem broccoli. As well as some tender stem broccoli, I'm going to serve this up with what I'm going to call a mustard mayonnaise, which basically get 2 tablespoonfuls of good mayonnaise, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. What could we drink with this? Well, on the one hand, I think a Sauvignon Blanc would go very well. But on the other hand, I'm really into this red Portuguese LB7 red wine at the moment. So actually, that's the one I'm going to go for. But a Sauvignon Blanc, it's chicken, it's going to go well. So we don't want this on too hot a heat. We'll cook this for 2 or 3 minutes on this side, and then flip it over 2 or 3 minutes on the other. We'll cook these for another 2 minutes. Put this onto a baking tray. Look, I've got a bit of a non-stick silicone thing going on here, but if you've got tin foil or something like that, that'd be good. We're going to put this in the oven for about 5 or 6 minutes, which means, hey, let's cook some tender stem broccoli while that's cooking in the oven.